Hey guys, it's Dino, and we have a really interesting game, and this game was actually awarded for brilliancy, something like that. And I hope you are excited about it to see this wonderful game. White 1, e4, e6, d4, and d5. No need to comment these moves. French defense, as you already know. And I'm gonna give you for each move 3 seconds to pause the video and think about the next move. So 1, 2, 3, knight c3. We have seen this move played in the previous games. Developing towards the center, putting pressure on the center, protecting this pawn, of course. And now d takes e4. And as I said in the earlier game, the game before this, I think that this is not a really, I guess, at least Tarrasch said that this is not a really good move because it is releasing the pressure from the center and allowing white easy game. So now 1, 2, 3, of course, you're gonna take with the knight. Nothing, I guess, hard in this move. And now knight d7. Knight d7, going for this and to connect this knight. If instead he plays this, we're gonna probably take and put his queen in a unfavorable in a square that it is not good for her, I guess, because we're gonna play this and this probably and chase that queen around, gain some tempos or tempi on her, and that's not good. So that's why black first plays this and then intends to play this. So now 1, 2, 3, of course, developing another knight towards the center. Nothing, again, unusual in this move. And now knight g to f6. 1, 2, 3, bishop d3, protecting this knight because it was attacked by this move. And now bishop e7. 1, 2, 3, castle. Normal stuff. No need to, I guess, comment too much on this move. And now knight takes, and 1, 2, 3, bishop takes. It's an obvious move. And now knight f6, attacking this bishop. 1, 2, 3, important move, bishop d3. We should save this bishop because it is really strong piece. See, it is really powerful and it is hitting things on both sides of the board. So this is a powerful piece, and of course we don't want to exchange it for this knight. And now b6. This move isn't really good because now black should have castled, and instead he's creating some potential weaknesses that we can enter and take advantage in this early stage of the game. So that's why we play what? 1, 2, 3, knight 5, aiming for this. Maybe we can exchange this bishop, and if we exchange the bishop, that's good for us because we are gonna have a bishop pair against knight and a bishop. And this bishop pair is when you get the bishop here in most cases, you have an advantage when you exchange, when you get that. So you should aim for that. And now black, of course, black cannot take here. Why do you think black cannot take here? 1, 2, 3, because we play bishop b5, and he's gonna lose his queen. Instead he plays this move, and he saw that if he now tries to develop here, we're gonna play what? 1, 2, 3, bishop b5 again, and he's gonna lose either a pawn or he's gonna lose a right to castle. There is no other move. I guess you can play this, but no, that's a bad move. So that's why he castled in this position. So now what do? 1, 2, 3. We play bishop, knight c6, attacking these pieces, putting a knight on the weak square, really important. And what else can you ask? Now bishop d6, queen d6, and now 1, 2, 3. We play really interesting and important in between move, queen f3, and we are developing queen, protecting this knight, and also threatening to take here, and after check we take the rook. And this is much better than immediately taking this, because after this move he can move the rook, and then the next move chase the queen and seize this long diagonal. So we don't want that. Instead we played this move first, and now the rook cannot go here, and instead bishop has to go here. He cannot go here either. Why do you think? But 1, 2, 3, because of course we take the bishop. So instead he has to, instead of developing his bishop here where he should be, actually he is forced to go here, and already we have an advantage. What do we do here? 1, 2, 3, takes. As I said, we have an advantage because this bishop is misplaced. We get a bishop pair, and overall just more pieces into the game. And of course, and also when we pin this knight with a move like this, he cannot escape this pin easily. So what do we do here? 1, 2, 3, bishop g5, of course, attacking these knights, and we now can take this, and then we're gonna destroy the structure around the king, the pawn structure. And now give me 1 second. Black played rook a to c8, trying to push here c5 and try to a little bit destroy our strong center control. We have a nice central control. And what do we do now? 1, 2, 3, rook f to e1. Really important move, because if we, of course we can take here right now, but maybe and start some kind of an attack, but before that maybe we're gonna need this rook to help us. For example, if we start and then we start some kind of an attack, maybe take here and then create some kind of an attack, maybe we're not gonna have enough pieces to checkmate him. So that's why before starting an attack, we're gonna put our rook here, and then when we start an attack, we're gonna quickly go with the rook here and maybe go somewhere there. So that's why try to think in those kind of terms. And also we are not allowing black to do any of these things and try to free up a little bit his cramped position. So now rook f to e1, I mean e8, and now what do we do? 1, 2, 3, queen h3. Of course we are going for to take here and then to take here. And when I was analyzing, I thought this move is not good because of this. But actually we are winning a piece here. How? 1, 2, 3, we take here. And now if he takes, we're gonna take here, and then we are winning a piece. It's as simple as that. So instead of that, he played queen d6, and now 1, 2, 3. Of course, we take here. Now, really important move. Try to think a little bit more, not too much, of course. 1, 2, 3, queen h6. Why queen h6? Because we don't want to allow this king to escape. For example, if we play this, check, this king escaped, and then see, this is attacked, this is attacked, and of course if we try to do this, we're gonna be in lots of trouble. So we don't want that. We don't want a king to escape, and instead that's why we play queen h6, and now we are threatening to take here and to checkmate our opponent. For example, if he plays some silly move like this, we play this here, and checkmate. Maybe I should have given you opportunity to think about what would happen. I'm sorry, but sometimes I guess I'm in rush. So in this position he played this to lock this diagonal, and what do we do here? 1, 2, 3, rook e3. Of course, going for this. And now after this, how do we respond? 1, 2, 3, we play c3. Just awesome move, because I was rushing. I thought, hey, this is the end, but it's not the end, because we're gonna go here, and then this queen, we cannot give a checkmate because this queen is protecting that. And when we play c3, now this queen doesn't have any square to go here, cannot go here. If he goes here, of course it's over. If he goes here, it's a checkmate, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.